Picture this. You're at the airport, your flight boards in 30 minutes. Suddenly, TSA pulls you aside. They've found something in your checked bag, something that could get you arrested, fined thousands of dollars, or banned from flying. Every single day, thousands of travelers make this same mistake. They pack items that seem harmless, a phone charger, some pool chemicals, even sparklers from a birthday party, not knowing they've just violated federal law. Welcome to the hidden world of TSA's banned items list. What you're about to learn could save you from becoming one of those travelers whose vacation ends before it even begins. In 2025, airport security has never been tighter, the rules have never been more complex, and the consequences for breaking them have never been more severe. I'm about to take you inside the TSA's most comprehensive banned items list, 22 specific items that could turn your dream vacation into a nightmare. Some will shock you. Others might be sitting in your luggage right now. But first, let me tell you about Sarah Chen. December 2024, LAX International Terminal. Sarah Chen, a tech executive from San Francisco, approaches the check-in counter with her brand new $800 smart suitcase, the kind with GPS tracking, USB charging ports, and a built-in battery that promises to keep your devices powered for days. "I'm sorry, ma'am," the agent says, "but this bag cannot fly." Sarah's confusion turns to panic. The battery in her high-tech suitcase? It's non-removable. That makes it item number 5 on our banned list. Smart luggage with non-removable batteries. According to TSA regulations, the entire suitcase and everything in it is banned from both checked and carry-on luggage. She has 20 minutes to either abandon her expensive suitcase or miss her flight to Tokyo. This is where our story begins. The year is 2025, and if you're packing for a flight, you're navigating a minefield of regulations that would have seemed like science fiction just a decade ago. The Transportation Security Administration, the TSA, maintains a list of items so dangerous, so potentially catastrophic to aircraft safety, that carrying them could end with federal charges. Today, we're going deep into all 22 categories of completely banned items, not restricted, not limited, banned. Let's start with the category that catches more travelers than any other. Meet Tom Rodriguez, a photographer heading to Iceland. In his checked bag, 3 spare camera batteries, a portable charger, his backup vape pen, and a battery case for his iPhone. Every single item is about to be confiscated. Item 1, e-cigarettes and vaping devices. Tom's vape pen, like all e-cigarettes, vape pens, e-hookahs, and electronic nicotine delivery systems, is completely banned from checked luggage. It doesn't matter if they're empty, unused, or worth hundreds of dollars. The lithium batteries combined with heating elements create what the FAA calls an unacceptable fire risk in the cargo hold. Item 2, spare lithium batteries. Those 3 camera batteries Tom packed. Each one is banned from checked bags. Whether they're lithium ion or lithium metal, loose batteries are potential fire bombs at 35,000 feet. They must be protected from short-circuiting and carried only in the cabin. Item 3, power banks and portable chargers. Tom's 20,000 milliamp-hour power bank seems innocent enough, but it's classified as a spare battery. From tiny lipstick chargers to massive portable power stations, all are forbidden in checked luggage. Item 4, cell phone battery charging cases. That protective iPhone case with a built-in battery? It's treated the same as a power bank, banned from checked bags entirely. Item 5, smart luggage with non-removable batteries. Like Sarah Chen discovered, any smart suitcase where the battery can't be removed is prohibited from all aircraft. If the battery is removable, you must take it out and carry it in the cabin. Here's the science. Lithium batteries can enter thermal runaway, a chain reaction where heat generates more heat, potentially leading to explosion. In 2024 alone, the FAA documented 47 incidents of lithium battery fires on aircraft. The Johnsons are packing up after a week at their lake house. Into the suitcase go the leftover sparklers, some emergency flares from their boat, and Grandpa's antique gunpowder horn. They've just packed 3 federal violations. Item 6, fireworks and sparklers. Every type of firework, from professional rockets to innocent sparklers, is banned. Even spent fireworks contain residual explosive material. TSA confiscates thousands of these every July 5th from travelers who think burnt sparklers are harmless. Item 7, flares, signal flares, road flares, marine flares, all banned. These burn at 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit and can't be extinguished once lit. Whether for boats, cars, or emergency kits, they cannot fly. Item 8, gunpowder and dynamite. This includes black powder for muzzle loading, smokeless powder for reloading, and any explosive compounds. A hunter discovered this when TSA found reloading supplies in his bag. The fine, $3,000. Item 9, strike anywhere matches. These friction-activated matches can ignite from bags rubbing together in turbulence. Completely banned, though safety matches are allowed in carry-on only. The explosives ban dates to aviation's early days, but modern travelers still pack these items daily, not realizing a simple sparkler is treated the same as dynamite under federal law. Emma Walsh, a professional artist, and Mike Patterson, a weekend mechanic, are both packing for trips. Between them, they're about to violate 5 federal regulations. Item 10, lighter fluid. Emma's vintage Zippo lighter fluid. Mike's butane torch refills, all banned. Any lighter fuel, whether for cigarette lighters or torches, is prohibited in all luggage. Item 11, flammable paints. Emma's oil paints might be okay, but her specialty metallic paints with flammable bases are banned. Any paint that could ignite is forbidden. Item 12, paint thinners. Turpentine, mineral spirits, paint strippers, varnish removers. Emma's entire cleaning kit is banned. These solvents become volatile at altitude. Item 13, cooking fuels and gasoline. Mike's camping stove fuel, Coleman fuel, white gas, propane canisters, all banned. Even empty containers with residual vapors are prohibited. Item 14, spray paint and industrial aerosols. Both Emma's art spray paint and Mike's WD-40 are banned. Industrial aerosols use more dangerous propellants than personal care items. Emma missed her gallery opening. Mike faced $500 in fines. Both learned that flammable on a label means banned in aviation. The Andersons are closing their summer home. Into their luggage goes pool shock, bleach, plant fertilizer, and drain cleaner. They're about to discover why TSA agents call this the chemistry set violation. Item 15, chlorine for pools. Whether tablets, granules, or shock treatment, pool chlorine is a powerful oxidizer that can spontaneously combust. Completely banned. Item 16, liquid bleach. All bleach, household, industrial, or concentrated, is prohibited. Its corrosive nature and reactive properties make it too dangerous for aircraft. Item 17, spillable batteries. Car batteries, wet cell batteries, and most lead-acid batteries are banned. The acid can eat through aluminum aircraft structures. Only wheelchair batteries get special exemptions. Item 18, poisons and infectious substances. Rat poison, pesticides, biological samples, all banned. This includes seemingly innocent ant traps and some plant treatments. Item 19, fertilizers. Many contain ammonium nitrate, making them potential explosives. All fertilizers and oxidizing materials are prohibited regardless of intended use. Item 20, corrosives and acids. Drain cleaners, battery acid, mercury, and all corrosive substances are banned. A single mercury thermometer could cause millions in aircraft damage.
People pack their entire garage without thinking. They don't realize common household chemicals become weapons at altitude.
Jessica Martinez, heading to Yellowstone, packs bear spray. Her sister Anna, flying to New York, brings pepper spray for protection. Both are about to lose their self-defense items and face federal scrutiny. Item 21, bear spray. Despite being recommended for wilderness areas, bear spray cannot fly. The concentrated capsaicin could incapacitate an entire aircraft if accidentally discharged. Item 22, pepper spray. All defensive sprays, pepper spray, mace, tear gas, are banned. In a pressurized cabin, they're not personal protection, they're weapons that could affect everyone aboard. In 2023, a canister of bear spray accidentally discharged in a cargo hold. The aircraft made an emergency landing. Cleanup cost, $75,000. Lawsuits, still pending. Some travelers managed to violate multiple rules with single items. Self-heating meals that combine chemicals. They involve both reactive substances and heat generation. Double banned. Electronic lighters with built-in batteries and fuel. Triple threat. Consider this real case. A camping enthusiast packed. A smart battery pack with solar panels attached to a camp stove with fuel canister, along with waterproof matches and bear spray for protection. 4 violations in what seemed like basic camping gear. These 22 items are just the TSA's list. Fly internationally and the list grows. Japan adds all e-cigarettes to the banned list, even in carry-ons. Australia limits battery capacity below TSA standards. The EU bans additional chemical categories. Middle Eastern countries prohibit items TSA allows.
I followed TSA rules perfectly, but my legal power bank was confiscated in Frankfurt, my replacement was seized in Dubai, and my backup violated rules in Singapore. 3 countries, 3 confiscations, 0 phone power.
How did we get here? Each banned item represents lessons learned from near disasters. E-cigarettes were banned after multiple cargo hold fires. Smart luggage restrictions followed battery explosions. Bear spray bans came after cabin contamination incidents. Fertilizer prohibitions intensified after terror attempts. The list grows as new technologies emerge. Solid-state batteries, hydrogen cells, and nanomaterials are already under scrutiny. Today's 22 banned items will likely be 30 by 2030. Let's talk consequences. Pack any of these 22 items and face: minimum, confiscation and missed flights; typical, $500, $3,000 in fines; severe, federal charges and up to 10 years imprisonment; permanent, no-fly list inclusion. Intent doesn't matter. Pack gunpowder accidentally or deliberately, you've still violated federal law. Ignorance isn't a defense when aircraft safety is involved. How does TSA catch these 22 banned items? Through multiple layers. 1. X-ray imaging that identifies battery shapes and chemical signatures. 1. Chemical detection systems that spot explosives and oxidizers. 1. Random bag checks that catch what machines miss. 1. International intelligence sharing that tracks violation patterns. In 2024, TSA's detection systems prevented 6,542 pounds of fireworks from flying, 4,231 prohibited batteries from cargo holds, 2,156 flammable liquid containers from aircraft, 892 self-defense sprays from pressurized cabins. Each represents a potential disaster avoided. Let's clear up a few common questions. Firearms. Not banned from checked bags, but heavily restricted. They must be unloaded, declared at check-in, and packed in a locked, hard-sided container. Ammunition. Allowed in checked baggage under specific packaging rules and must be separate from the firearm. Alcoholic beverages. Anything over 140 proof, 70% alcohol, is banned. Between 48 and 140 proof, there are quantity limits. Disposable lighters. You can't pack a standard disposable lighter in your checked bag, but you may carry one on your person. Before you zip that suitcase, run through all 22 banned items. Battery category. Remove all vapes and e-cigarettes. Gather every spare battery. Find all power banks. Check phone cases for batteries. Inspect smart luggage batteries. Explosives category. No fireworks or sparklers. No flares of any type. No gunpowder or explosives. No strike anywhere matches flammables category. No lighter fluid. No flammable paints. No paint thinners. No cooking fuels. No spray paint chemicals category. No pool chlorine. No bleach. No spillable batteries. No poisons. No fertilizers. No acids or corrosives weapons category. No bear spray. No pepper spray. Remember where we started? Sarah Chen and her $800 smart suitcase? She made her Tokyo flight, barely. Left the bag with a friend, bought a regular suitcase at the airport. Expensive lesson learned. Tom Rodriguez, the photographer, his confiscated batteries and power banks cost him $1,200 in replacements. Plus the vape pen. Plus the delay. Plus the embarrassment. The Johnsons with their fireworks, federal warning. The Andersons with their pool chemicals, $2,000 in fines. Emma the artist, missed her gallery opening. Mike the mechanic, court date pending. Each violated one or more of the 22 items we've covered today. Each thought their items were harmless. Each learned otherwise. These aren't suggestions, they're not guidelines. They're federal law, enforced by an agency that processes 2.5 million passengers daily and has zero tolerance for items that could bring down an aircraft. From e-cigarettes to pepper spray, from smart luggage to pool chlorine, from power banks to paint thinner, all 22 items. We drop new videos like this weekly. The best way to stay updated is to subscribe and click the notification bell. That way, YouTube will let you know as soon as a new video drops.